Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we got the combine out. You saw that. He's in the field combining. There's a drain right here in this field. That's why you're seeing some green spots. But here he comes. He's in the back. Give you a walk around on this semi real quick. Gotten some pretty good weather here. 80 degrees. Not much rain the last 2 days. We're gonna get this off and we're gonna start round baling this straw and square baling it. Gotta knock it all out. We're talking next 2 days. In a few days, some rain. So here's our Peterbilt. This trailer here, we got off a guy that was in the selling mulch at a nursery, and this whole thing's lined with stainless steel. So when that grain hits that and it comes up, she just slides right out. So we're gonna catch up with him in the combine and see how she's running. It's empty. That was Mark pulling off in that semi to go dump that load. Don't mind my glasses. I lost my other pair, and I asked my mom if she had an extra pair, so these are my mom's glasses. Anyway, he took that up to the co-op there in Brown City, and Dad's clipping right along. We're getting ready to milk the cows. Greg here, him and his boy, they started doing some square baling. We're gonna bale a few loads, get it when it's dry. Like I said, the rain's coming. He's gonna get this thing started, and he's gonna get it going, so stay tuned. All right, guys, just got done milking the cows here. Dad kept on combining. Mark was hauling loads of grain out of there, and Greg started square baling. I'm doing my nightly checks on these right quick, and I had the task of milking the cows. That's kind of how it works. Everything looks good. Let's go check on their progress, how the combining went, and see if Greg got anything square baled. Pick Rochelle up on the way. She's been home, got home from work, and time to go check on some progress. All right, we made it home. We're waiting on Rochelle to come out and get in the gator with the players, and we're gonna go. We'll see when she comes. When she's a coming. Okay. We made it to the old field. Looks like Greg got his straw bale. He's got 1, 2. What is it? Just 2 loads baled. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'm seeing it. He's got the whole field off. He's got the whole field off. Get the tractor and grain cart out here. Well, it looks pretty good. Now the rest of this stuff is going to bale up a little bit more of the straw with the squares, and then Mark will come in and he's going to bale up the rest of the round bales. That was
Amanda.
That combine. Let's get a close-up walk around on this combine here. This combine got the back of this field's got some muck dirt in it, and that's like vegetable ground what they grow on here. But it's kind of mixed. It dips down. She's all blackened up. This is one big mean machine. Well, this is what it looks like in a combine here. Again, uh-oh. Dad's jamming. That's Kenny Chestnut. No, it's Tim McGraw. So he's in this thing. Here's a little steering wheel. He's running this. When this thing, when you're riding in this baby, see the full cab flash. Someone's gonna have to come in here and clean these windows for him, obviously tomorrow. But you want to go forward in a combine like this, all you gotta do is go forward. Reverse, pull it right back. It's that simple. And I'm not gonna tell you what all these buttons are, but they're all pretty much labeled. I think he said it was running. Dad pretty much primarily runs this combine on our farm. The dad does all the combining, and he does all the corn planting until he's not physically able to do it anymore. So he's got quite a few years left. So no one's trying to take that away from him. That's what he does. This is his big bad machine. It's a 2016. We're only running a 30-foot head on this. This combine would take a 40-foot head, but I don't know. We're just a bunch of old dairymen. Our eyes aren't that good, and we can't quite. An extra 10 feet just be too much for us. But some of our fields aren't that big, and you know, we'll go with a smaller head. But yeah, this is it. Leather interior, CD player, and he's all set. He's gonna. Looks like he got this done. This was a 70-acre piece. I think he said it was running about 90 bushel, which is pretty dang good. Tile field, you know, completely tiled. And gonna be a lot of straw out here. We'll bale it up, bed the cows down with, and hopefully we can make a little bit of money on the wheat. But other than that, let's head back down and let's go. Okay, hope you liked the little walk around on the combine. This was about the 70-80 acre field. It was a good start. He got this done. We've only got about a 20-acre field left, so he'll finish that tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get all this baled up and the rain can come and we'll all be happy. So I want to thank everybody for watching the videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share the videos with your family and friends, you know, teach them a little something about farming. And as we're having fun doing this, so I hope you're having fun watching. Remember Instagram at Kip Sigler Farming, and you get more of the cows on there. And
we hope everyone has a great week, right?
Right, have a good week and a safe week if you guys are farming out there. Okay, until next time.